Yo, what is going on, everybody? It is Tristan, and today we're shifting back to the center of the camera right here because we're going to be getting into the Run the Jewels SB Dunk Low. As you guys can see, this is a pair that I have right here, and I really want to show you guys the details of this shoe. Again, what it is based off. I mean, y'all probably know Run the Jewels, the rap group slash duo that I believe has been active since 2013, maybe a little bit earlier than that, but from what I know, that's what I said when I just looked it up, or that's what it said when I just looked it up a little bit ago, just to make sure I had some research for this video. But they may, have been around for a little bit longer than that, I'm sure. But we'll just kind of see. So if y'all want more content like this, again, reviewing sneakers, because it's gonna be going on my feed as well. This is a personal pair, since I happen to hit my size on the sneaker stash. Shout out to Hype Labs. You can actually see on the screen, we hit a ton of these pairs, so we really were making sure people were prepped for this drop. So don't miss out on releases like this. I dropped 2 pairs for retail lost and founds in the group recently as well. So I mean, that's something that some people want as well. Daily giveaways, undermarket pairs daily, teaching people how to buy. If any of that interests you, just check us out down below. You can even check out our free trial. You can try the group just for a few days if you want to learn more about it, see what it's like, anything related to that. So I hope you all will check it out down below, and we will see you all there for more of the fire daily deals we got coming up. Free ACO, so having bottles run for you, or even learning how to buy and get more pairs that you want in your personal collection. So see you there, guys. Let's get into reviewing this pair and doing a little on foot for the Run the Jewels SB Dunk Low. So getting into the first detail that I really noticed on the shoe would be the icy sole. Now, I've mentioned this in the past, SBs with kind of this icy sole are not ones to sleep on. I know these are going to be a great play for the future just based off what the early pairs were going for. I mean, you had early pairs comfortably selling at $450, $500 for these. I mean, not like comfortably, but they were getting sales at those points. So I guess if that makes more sense to what I'm saying, I can see these definitely heading back up in value, since right now they're a little bit lower than usual, and we'll get into, again, discuss more details in a second. I just know some people are interested in the idea of like the value on the shoe, the price. That's what some people bought these for, I'm sure, but I just kind of bought this one to kind of wear. But looking at the prices right now, let me show y'all on StockX. I think they're about 10 higher, 15 higher each on GOAT and Alias, because those are always safer and better marketplaces to sell to in terms of like getting more of a bang for your buck with your sales. But there you go, you guys can see bigger sizes going for more, smaller sizes going for less, as to be expected. So we got a range of 170 to 230. That's what I'm saying. The bigger sizes are already selling for a little bit more. So one thing I want to mention is I see a lot of opportunity in the size range, size 9 through 10. Since the size 9 is going for 170 right now, that is very, very low for a pair like this. I could easily see them comfortably selling at around probably $220 in a size 9, maybe even higher in the future. Again, the longer you're willing to wait, the more value you would get out of an SB, because there's plenty of SBs that sell for 300 plus in size 9, and the main reason that they just go for a lot of money is because they're not as common and people want to add them to the collection. And I know this is kind of a collector's item for some people, and one of the main reasons, you guys can see these also come with some extra laces, but they also have the RTJ logo on the inside as well. I want to show you all that here. You guys can see on the insole the RTJ logo. They've used this on a lot of their album covers. I believe that's what this is. Here we go. Yeah, they've used, I think they've used this still on like their album cover. That's not the exact logo, but y'all can see that there's actually their like true logo that they use and have used on a couple album covers on the shoe somewhere, and I want to show that to you all here. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so it is actually across both insoles. I forgot that this is how they decided to design this sneaker, so I'm trying to move the extra laces out the way, but there y'all might be able to see this. Here is the logo across both of the insoles, and this is what they've used as a, okay, so yeah, that's just not working, but there you go. Y'all can maybe see it on the insoles. Hopefully the lighting is proper here, but y'all might be able to see that. Again, on the insole there is one of the hands, and then there's the fist right there, and those kind of combine together, and that's been a general logo that they've used on a lot of the recent album covers. I've seen on like some single covers they've done, but they're mainly from what I've seen, their group, they mainly drop albums. That's what I've seen. They've done like RTJ3, RTJ4, so it seems like they go with pretty simple album titles, but they kind of have like their fan base, which is just kind of more solidified and underground, from what I understand. And that's why they're able to just kind of drop when they want, when they please, and that's kind of respectable. Another nice detail we have here as well, you guys can see it is on the insole. It's some writing. I'm trying to make sure I can actually read this for you all. Oh yeah, it says Run the Jewels. That's what it says. There you go. So it says Run the Jewels all over the bottom of the SB Dunk Low right here. It's a little bit hard to read, but once you kind of look closely, y'all can see, maybe you can see that. Here, I'll try it. Run and then you can see the J right there. I'll try and then here's like Jules. Y'all can see that like right there. Jules pretty obviously says that. So you can see run the Jules. So that's where I'm getting that from. And I think it says, it doesn't say SB, but it just says run the Jules throughout the whole entire, bottom portion of the sole right here, kind of transparent, but very, very well done. I mean, this is I would give this, like, if I had to give a rating, I mean, you got the active fuchsia, Nike swoosh, the three different colored laces, including this one. And you can see the laces are even a little bit unique to a normal SB. So, I mean, I would give the shoe easily a 9 out of 10. I mean, it is a killer SB. Also comes with, don't forget, the new white SB box. That's something I wanted to also show to you guys. New box. I'd recently been talking about that in some videos, but now we actually have it to show to y'all right here. So, although I didn't win my local skate shop raffle, guess what? Y'all can keep backdooring. I don't care, because I'm always going to take these dubs and sneakers. That's what it is. So shout out to Hype Labs. That's where we got this pair, with the information we provided in there. So aside from that, kind of this deep royal blue colorway we got in the front of the sneaker. Again, how that, hits with the active fuchsia there, the lighter blue in the back, lighter blue of the sole that is transparent, but that icy sole over time, man. Just now is the time. If you want your personal pair, if you're like a size 9, buy it like now. Like you don't want to pull the trigger in a year when they're like $300. So or like $250, I would say. They wouldn't hit 300 that quick, but they'll be up. I'll say that. So because stock wasn't massive, but SBs are slept on in general over the summer. I think there are gonna be a lot of really, really good plays. Just once there's less of them being sold. But aside from that, why don't we get into the try on part of this video? Since I did say I wanted to try on these SBs just for the personal collection. But I'm gonna have some of these for daily deal soon for my members in Hype Labs. So we recently did retail LNFs, maybe some retail. Hey, we'll see. Stay tuned. But on foot part, let's go. And I'm a little bit sad about this, but again, I'm wearing these, so I'm not too stressed. But look at this, like these came in with look at that on the toe box. It's like a dent. Kind of sucks, but I'm just wearing them, so whatever. All right, so we're removing the extra laces. We got to undo that factory lacing. Then we're gonna try them on. I still got Air Max on one of my feet. So yeah, we're gonna adjust that and these sneakers accordingly, and then I'll be right back with y'all. Removing this, and I didn't show this portion of the sneaker, but again, the tongue tag, y'all can see that, kind of that nice gold. We also have that on the back right here as well. This is kind of like a general theme I noticed on a lot of RTJ stuff. You kind of see a brighter gold in a lot of things, or album covers, just in general. Seems like they like to wear gold, so there you go. Producer, rapper type duo. If I'm right, sorry if I'm wrong on that. Again, I really don't want to be messing this up, but I love the SB they made, and it sounds like a lot of people like their music, so respect to them. It's really a dope duo. I like what they do. Let's try these on right now. Let's see how they are. So, kind of first view on foot, I guess I can say. All right, so looking at these SBs, they're actually pretty comfortable on foot. I cannot lie. I'm pretty happy with what we got going on here. I'm gonna move some of these other shoes out of the way, but y'all can see again, we got this nice kind of active fuchsia swoosh that hits with kind of this brighter blue that we have in the sneaker. The gold is a great contrast to the lighter blue as well. And one thing I'll mention about the comfort on the sneaker, since I know a lot of y'all are probably curious about this, so it definitely fits true to size, or even maybe a little bit tighter to the foot, because we do have this kind of bigger tongue on the sneaker, so that definitely plays a role in how this kind of fits to your foot. But I ended up going with a size 9. It fits perfectly in terms of like the length of the shoe. Just again, it might be a little bit tight to your foot since it is SB, but you can always loosen up the laces in order to get a looser fit on SBs. You don't necessarily have to rock with a tighter fit like I have right now. I'm definitely going to loosen them up, so I just have more of a comfortable type feel to the sneaker. But overall, I mean, these are so killer in terms of how they look on foot. I mean, this is just such a great pair. I mean, it would go, I mean, it's not really anything too crazy. I'm just wearing like a gray t-shirt right now, and yeah, these are cool to wear with them. So I could wear them with like a blue tee. I think a white tee would be a great choice as well. Really anything that you kind of prefer. Just I think there's a lot of really good parts of the sneaker that make it nice, and that's just one thing I want to kind of admire. So shout out to Nike again. They did their thing, and this is definitely a killer pair. So I just want to give some credits to them while I can on this one, because it's another nice SB. These are definitely going to be one in the future I could see being a lot more valuable. So if that's something you're concerned with, the value of your SBs, how they'll do over the future, then yeah, this is definitely a good bet. So don't sleep. Run the Jules SB Dunk Low. Probably one of my favorite SBs from this year, but there hasn't really been too many yet. We got Heritos, Born and Raised SBs, all those ones on the way. Great pair though. But yeah, if y'all want more content like this, again, that's really what this was. Just a little simple on foot video. Y'all can see I'm still rocking them. I'm a big fan of these SBs. I'm probably going to wear them all today just to break them in, kind of get that, comfortable, because I got some other ones right here, like the green apples. I mean, these are super comfortable. A lot of other SBs in my collection are very comfortable. You just have to break them in a little bit more. So that's what I'm going to do with these today. Just wear them around, kind of beat them up. And yeah, that'll be that. Maybe if I pick up, well, I'm probably not going to skate them because these are just like, when you start getting to some of these like nicer, not retros per se, but some of these nicer SBs, even if you do skate, you're like, man, this is like, it's a couple $100, man. I don't really want to skate it sometimes. But I did hit these retail again, so shout out to Hype Labs. You can check us out down below with the free trial, all that. If you want to learn how you can hit more pairs, just like these, get ones for your collection, resell, whatever it may be that you want to do. We have so many different types of things in the group, like exclusive brick flip calls, early pings, early information on Nike releases, all that type of stuff that'd be useful to you all that you would want to see, we got. So don't miss out on that. But that's it. I'm Tristan. Thank you guys, and hopefully I will catch you on the next video soon. Or Hype Labs free trial. We can catch you in the group. So don't miss out on the daily deals. We'll do some retail pairs today because we do that every day, and we did retail lost and founds recently. So yeah, don't sleep. I'll see you all then. And yeah, run the Jules SB Dunk Low. Hopefully that actually showed them. But huge fan of these. Shout out to Nike. Y'all absolutely killed it. So I'll see you on the next one soon tomorrow. Peace.